welcome back. Today we're going to be doing some science experiments. So the first one is a balloon skewer. All you need for this is vegetable oil, a wooden skewer, balloons, and I have a pump. First step is to blow the balloon. The second step is to knot the balloon. It's time to work on the skewer. We have to oil the skewer. Now you have to spread the oil around the skewer. Step 4, we have to insert the skewer and make sure to insert it in this orangey part because that's the most strongest part. I'm super excited. And also you have to keep twisting it when you put it in. Yay! Look at it. And it didn't pop. This is so exciting. Yay! It's magic or science? I think it's science, but look how cool this is. When I remove the skewer, if the balloon will pop or the air will release. I think the air will release. Let's see. I think I was right, but it's going super small and you cannot hear a noise. What if I push it? I think it's going to pop if I push it. It definitely became smaller than earlier, and when I put it closer to my ear, I can hear the sound. It's losing air and it did not pop, so I was right. I just thought it was going to lose air, and it did lose air. It's completely out of air now. For glove blob with yeast. All you need for this experiment is some gloves, yeast, a rubber band, a funnel, a tablespoon, 1 tablespoon, a measuring cup, and warm water. You also need sugar. We're going to try with 2 different gloves. I'm going to try with this one first because you all know my favorite color is blue. I got the yeast up. Okay, now to pour. And I'm going to use 2. Now for the second packet of yeast. Now time for 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now we measure 1 cup of the warm water. So now I'm gonna add the water in here. And then after I pour the water in, I have to mix. You have to put on the glove. That. After I put it in quick, it's gonna slowly come up. I don't see the air coming in the glove, but I haven't seen it pop up yet. Guys, look at the ghostly on right. This is one of the coolest experiments I ever did. Wow, this is so cool, but I'm gonna feel it. Ooh, it feels like there's tons of air in here, and I just boing it. It bounces back. See, boing. And it looks like I'm going to grab you with my blue hand. No one has. Now we're gonna try one with the purple glass. I'm ready to tie. Go! This is a quick little update. This is starting to grow. And look at this blow away. This is so exciting to watch the purple one blow it like the blue one. And look how cool this is. Rock and roll. What just happened to my glove blow up? Oh wow, the glove was boiling until I flicked it. It's full of yeast in it. You want to guys see it? There's a bit of yeast in here. I don't know if you guys could see that. But look, the blue one rises again. I wonder if it's gonna boil off. Boom! The next experiment is creeping colors. All you need for this is water, a container which is clear, markers, coffee filters, tape, a pencil, and scissors! Step 1, cut it lengthwise. Step 2 is to draw a dark line. Okay, step 3, this is where you need the pencil. You'll have to tape it on the pencil. Whoa! It should look like this, but look at it moving up. Step 4, pour the water. Okay, that much water seems like enough. Step 5, the fun part to put in, but I wonder how long it's going to take. Okay, putting them in. No! I can see the green on absorbing water. And the blue a little bit, but I don't know about the black. Black didn't work out, but the green, if you look, it looks like green or yellow, and if you look very, very closely, it looks like blue. There's a little bit of blue, and then for the blue, they initially looked like pinkish and purplish, but now it just looks like regular. Did you notice I drew like all the way here, but erased like all the way here? Same for this one. I hope you try these experiments at your home, and they're all really fun to do. I hope you enjoyed today's video. See you guys on next time, and bye.